Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very famous problem named as subset sum problem. In this problem, the problem statement is that we have to tell whether is there any subset present in the array such that the sum is equals to the target sum. That means in our case that it is 12. So we have to tell that whether is there any subset present whose sum is equals to 12 or not. Just we have to return whether true or false. uh, we have not to count the subsets, how many subsets are there whose sum is 12. We just tell that whether any subset present or not in the array. So the approach behind this we are using is I'm using here is a DP memoization technique, where we will analyze the previous result stored in the sub in the matrix to calculate the current result. uh, let's suppose we have an array 47328, and we have given a target sum 12. So we first divide the DP. We first create a DP array, DP matrix, TP matrix, whose size is of uh, the size of the array. That means n 47328 means 5, and the column size is the target sum plus 1. Okay, so here is our DP array of size n, 0 1 2 3 4, and and column size target plus 1 to 12. Okay. Now uh, we first see what happened here. uh, let's suppose first we go to 4. Okay, first we go to 4. Let me change the pen. Yeah. First we go to 4 here. Wait. First we go to 4. Then here the j represents j represents the sum. That let's suppose this this block sorry this block represents whether the 4 represents whether the 4 contributes in this sum or not, in this sum. And here I represents the elements. Here I represents the elements. Okay, and this block, let's suppose this block represents that the 473 473, because this element is present on 0 1 2. Second index is third row and second index. So we will take 3 elements here, 473. And now in this in this subarray in this subarray, whether this sum is available or not, means is this subarray constitutes in this sum or not. So we will just uh, let me rub it first. Sorry. Yeah, right. Now uh, now first we check whether the main theme behind this is wait. Yeah, right. So the main theme is DP IJ equals to whether the result is present on I minus 1 row and the same column. If we this is the thing, if we include this element, if we include this element, and if we exclude this element, right, if we exclude this element, then this, or if we include this element, dp here, dp, if we include this element, then our formula is dp I minus 1, dp I minus 1, and j minus a of I. This is the thing. Now see how it works. Let me take it. Shit. Yeah. So this is the thing. Now first check whether first we take all zeros as true, because zero is possible in every case, zero sum, suppose we have array 4 7, and if we ask that, if I ask that tell me whether the sum, is there any subset whether the sum of that subset is zero or not. So my answer is always true, because there is always an element, because there is one element, because if we take this subset, his their sum is zero, so my answer is always true. So zero is always true in every case. Okay. Now for I equals to, for I this zero, for I equals to 0, we take all true, all columns, all boxes, all cells false, until if we get the same element on j, and means if we here 4, here it is 4, and we have to tell whether the subset we currently we have only one array element, that is the element which form a array, which is 4, right. Now that 4, we have an array of one element only, which and that element is 4. Now we have to tell that in this one element array, sum 4 is available, is possible or not. So my answer will be yes, because we have to tell, because we have only one element in the array, which is 4, and we have to give the sum 4. So here we store true. And now if we talk that we have only one element 4, and whether 5 is possible or not, so the answer will be false. Let me zoom it. Yeah. Right. Now rest of the sum will be false. False. Now comes to the second row. Now we have only two elements in the array. which is 4 and 7, and we have to tell that these sums are possible or not. One possible or not. We have two elements 4 and 7, and one is possible or not. So we have the data of previous row, and, and which tells us that whether if the array includes only one element, which is 4, so which of the sum is possible or not, and which is not. Now we have 7, one more element 7, and now we have to tell, we have two choices only, whether we can include this 7 or whether we can exclude this 7. Wait, this one is the formula, uh, shows that whether we are taking this 7 or whether we are taking this 7, and this whether we are excluding this 7, and this represents we are including this 7. I will mark it include, and this one is exclusion. So we 7, so yeah, green pen. Here 7, for 7 less than 7 means the row, this row, we have to take just the result of upper row, like true, here false, because less than 7, because here less than, here also, here less than 7, we cannot say that the sum is present, the sums 6, like we are taking this 4, okay, this 4, and we have to tell that this the sum 4 is available, is present or not in this subset. So there 4 is already present in upper row true, which is है ना. So this in array in array of elements 2, which is 4 and 7, already gives the sum which is 4. So here also true. 3 is not possible here, false. 5 is also not possible, 6 is not also possible. But so what we are doing just we are taking just the result of upper row, upper column, upper cell, okay. Then when this case comes, when ai is equals to j, here the sum 7 is possible, because we have one element 7, which gives us the sum 7. So here we take true. 8 is not possible, 9 is not possible, 10 is not possible, 11 is not possible, and 12 is not possible, because we have only two elements in our array. Now comes to the now if we add 3 in this array 4 and 7, then now we have 3 elements 4, 7, 3, and we have to check that 1 is present or not. Is there any subset whose sum is 1 or not? So we just take the upper result, false. Here also false, here also false. This formula, I will tell you this, that this formula is applied when ai less than j, means sorry.